from TM TKO. This video shows you how to use ThorCheck as the junior party in a trademark dispute or 2D prosecution issue where the relatedness of goods is at issue. Getting a 2D refusal based on good-service relationships is frustrating as an attorney because you're put in a situation of having to prove a negative, the lack of a relationship. Inspired by a TTAB decision in Unrelated, our ThorCheck tool helps you find registry-based evidence that the relationship doesn't exist or is weaker than your examiner or counterparty thinks. It looks for identical or highly similar registrations, one of which has the first goods or services and the other of which has the other, with different owners. By default, ThorCheck's focus is just on use-based registrations to accord with the case law. Let's do one. Let's say your client's mark is Bumblebee for fertilizers, and a prior registration sharing the term Bumblebee for live plants is cited by the office as a 2D var. So we just add, start to type, you'll see fertilizers, we'll add alternative spelling, and on the other side we'll do couple different types of live plants. We'll leave dissimilarity checked in the evidence box. We'll leave limit results to use-based 1A registrations checked as well. And let's run the search. So you'll want to read this chart as a mirror image. On the left you have your fertilizers, on the right you have your live plants, and going from the middle you've got the mark, goods and services, and all the way on the outside you have your owners. So you can go through, quickly select the examples that are the most persuasive, and you can then export these as a summary chart to Word. You can limit to just the tagged results. And if you're going to be using this in the context of a formal either office action response or TTAB proceeding where you need to make these registrations of record, you can click on TSDR. And in just a couple of clicks, you can either get a single PDF file or a zip file that contains individual PDF documents for each of your status and title copies. Happy researching, and if you run into any questions, just email us at support@tmtko.com for help, and we will get right back to you. Thanks.